Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's Gamer here with another reaction. Today, guys, today we are there with another throwback. Another throwback. We're there with Aidonia. Aidonia The Robbery. The Robbery. So, we're going to jump in there on here with the GSA, because you don't know, say, they are bad lyrics from them time till now. So, let's jump in there on here with the GSA. Robbery. The Robbery by, Diddy. Let's go. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. Sorry to interrupt your video. They again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that, and you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist. Same way, you can do that same way by linking up your Zimmy. Jamaica__gamer on Instagram. You see me? Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that. You see me? But yeah, let's get back to the video.
Yo, at the bang of this, plan for running at the bank and boss one of this. Can't take this life that I'm living. Go get the guns on me. I go rob the pussy them today because.
So I'm frustrated. I'm fed up of the life where I live. So I make up in mind. You know, say, yo, if me I go do something, me I go do it good and done. Me I go do it big and done. So if me get away with it, me nice. The boss I go rob a bank. The boss I go rob a bank. I'm frustrated. Them say, yo, go get me guns and for me, because right now I'm suffering, dog.
Yo, at the bang of this. Plan for running at the bank and boss one of.
Rich Riddim, this is Dark Again Riddim by Steven. Dark, I'm quite certain see a Dark. Let me see it in the description. I'm quite certain see a Dark Again Riddim, no? No, they're in the description. I'm quite certain see a Dark Again anyway. Let's go.
This can't take this life that I'm living. Go get the guns on me. I go rob the pussy them today because I'm suffering today. There's gonna be a robbery in progress. At the bank, yeah, where the door rest. 4 yes, through the door, yes.
Oh my God. Today there's gonna be a robbery. Yo, a robbery. Security guard, better move now. Security guard, leave your post if you want your post. You leave it, and then you, when the robbery done, you come back. It target drastic for you, say, but yeah, move along.
Yeah, robbery in progress. At the bank, yeah, where the door rest. 4 yes, through the door, yes. Oh yes, she in the old dress, left her all less. If she don't press the alarm where the below deck speak like a phone text. Come the phone next, it was more. Yo, at the bang of this. Plan for running at the bank and boss one of this. Can't take this life.
Lyrics overdriving us, so lyrics overdrive. Me have to concentrate. Even though me hear the song a million times, I still have to concentrate.
Living, go get the guns on me. I go rob the pussy them today because I'm suffering today. There's gonna be a robbery in progress. At the bank, yeah, where the door rest. 4 yes, through the door, yes. Oh yes, she in the old dress, left her all less. If she don't press the alarm where the below deck speak like a phone text. Come the phone next, it was more mess, more stress when she go press. I go press.
So basically, matter that say, yo, don't press the alarm and everything will be good. No trigger the silent alarm and everything will be good. You see, once you press, me have to go press. You know why me press? You can press, you know, because me have time. But when me press, you're not going to have no time, you're going to dead.
She in the old dress, left her all less. If she don't press the alarm where the below the.
Them say him left her all less if she don't press. So he might tell us, say, yo, him not going to put no hole in her heart if she don't press. Just cooperate. Give me the money. Up with the money. Up with the money, man.
Gonna be a robbery in progress. At the bank, yeah, where the door rest. 4 yes, through the door, yes. Oh yes, she in the old dress, left her all less. If she don't press the alarm where the below deck speak like a phone text. Come the phone next, it was more mess, more stress when she go press. I go press. TV cameras, more press. Calling me a terrorist.
TV, news report, cameras. Them a call him terrorist because of what him just going with a while ago.
Alarm where the below deck speak like a phone text. Come the phone next, it was more mess, more stress when she go press. I go press. TV cameras, more press. Calling me a terrorist. Both locals and tourists. I got on the floor, yes.
The man say him have both locals and tourists. Remember, tourists got a bank to change their money and things, forget Jamaican currency in a dog. You see me? From whichever country them afford, from England, America, Canada, wherever. Them there. Plus the local them there. So him put everybody on the floor and not take no check with nobody.
Me a terrorist, both locals and tourists. I got on the floor, yes. Don't take no risk. Take a gunshot, then I read from the florist. I just wanna get the dough, no checks, then go left to.
I just wanna get the dough, no checks, then go left. Him want do it with no hassle. Him just want get the dough with nobody have to get shot. But if you put him to the test, he might go kill you. And that's the G there.
Then I read from the florist. I just wanna get the dough, no checks, then go left to Joe Jeff, who knows best to press the turbo legs. The car was grand theft, bank robbery was a pro theft.
The car was grand theft. The car was grand theft.
To press the turbo legs, the car was grand theft, bank robbery was a pro theft, and it flow best when you don't test, and protest for your Rolex. If you protest, get me more vex, clap blow text, chew your chest.
Lyrics! This wasn't dancehall, it's full of lyrics. Lyrics! If you don't have lyrics, you're not saying nothing. Yeah.
Checks, then go left to Joe Jeff, who knows best to press the turbo legs. The car was grand theft, bank robbery was a pro theft, and it flow best when you don't test, and protest for your Rolex. If you protest, get me more vex, clap blow text, chew your chest. Car was grand theft, bank robbery was a pro theft, and it flow best when you don't test, and protest for your Rolex. If you protest, get me more vex, clap blow text, chew your chest.
If you protest, if you put up a resistance, targeting more vex, and you probably end up clapping into your chest, basically. That's what the GSA so.
Protest for your Rolex. If you protest, get me more vex, clap blow text, chew your chest. When we take a lyric, half of the undercover cop who had a novice.
So the boss realized they were undercover cop there. So him take off the Beretta off of the undercover cop who had a no vest. Couldn't challenge me, brother. First of all, you're not protected. You're not on your vest. Give me the Beretta, yeah. Up in the Beretta, go down in the wall. Wait, what?
No text, chew your chest. When we take off the lyric, half of the undercover cop who had a novice. Security guard try stop me. Gun on the swell up in face like it grow breast.
Security guard try stop me. I have to swell up him face. I have to use the gun and glass swell up him face, make it look like him grow breast. Tip on face. Yeah, quacker. That him I get. Don't try to stop me, all this. Fuck your mother. That you forget.
Who had a novice. Security guard try stop me. Gun on the swell up in face like it grow breast. The hostage where the closest. Drop them speed away in 4 cents.
The hostage where the closest to when me I leave, I go grab them and speed off in 4 seconds. 4 seconds me have. Cause remember say the alarm don't trigger from them time then a dog. So remember say me make up my mind today. I rob me, I come rob me now. Alright.
Up in face like it grow breast. The hostage where the closest. Drop them speed away in 4 cents. We born poor, but we not go dead poor. People are go dead more. If we no get to youths a better way in life.
Basically what I say, so right now him a get rich or die trying. Him born poor, him not dead poor, brother. Him a go out there go look it. If they not get to you a better way in life, they might go out there go look it, and you might be the next victim. So be careful.
People are go dead more. If we no get to youths a better way in life. Hungry want be fed more. Tired of them politicians pan them green and red tour. Born poor.
Man, say I'm tired of the politicians them pan them green and red tour. The only time you see them in a dog when them come out in a pan them green and red tour in a dog. You see me? Tired of them. The PMP and the Labour right, him tired of them. Yeah, him tired of them.
On them green and red tour. Born poor, but we not go dead poor. People are go dead more. If you no get the youths a better way in life. Hungry want be fed more. Tired of them politicians on them green and red tour. Try escape like ex-convict. Driver make the weapon spit. Them
him say him try escape like ex-convict. Remember say at this current moment he's not a convict, you know. He hasn't been to prison yet, you know. But he might avoid it. So he might try escape like an ex-convict.
green and red tour. Try escape like ex-convict. Driver make the weapon spit. Them woulda fire but me coulda bet on it. Same time, inna me left hand it. Putting on me.
Him get shot in the left hand, him say. You chatting on left hand.
And them green and red tour. Try escape like ex-convict. Driver make the weapon spit. Them woulda fire but me coulda bet on it. Same time inna me left hand it. Putting on me chest and it. Starting bomb me gal breast and it. Yo press.
So all of this we are going now. All of the adrenaline, where I got you, adrenaline, where I got you, all of that where I got you, all of the action wagon, all the shot them a beat, he might think about him girls' tits and breasts. Yeah. He might think about him girls' tits. So he know say if him get catch and go prison, him not go see her for a long time. So he might think about it from now.
Like ex-convict, driver make the weapon spit. Them woulda fire but me coulda bet on it. Same time inna me left hand it. Putting on me chest and it. Starting bomb me gal breast and it. Yo press and the gas step on it. Car move the mechanic. Abandon the car.
So the car disabled. The car get disabled. Obviously cause him crash or get shot in like this car get shot up or what. The car need a mechanic. The car want fix.
It same time inna me left hand it. Putting on me chest and it. Starting bomb me gal breast and it. Yo press and the gas step on it. Car move the mechanic. Abandon the car. A foot chase. No, me a run pan the Broadway. Exit.
So a foot chase you know. He might run pan the Broadway now, dog. So he might have a last dash to save him life. And for save it, and for have him freedom, see me.
I move the mechanic, abandon the car, a foot chase. No, me a run pan the Broadway. Exit through that small margin, make the dog bark like a pit bull backyard train. Them a clap it up, me get flat like a card game. Bad man thing, and a local wall game. Me get in a trouble, and me not call me lord name. Make shots fall like hard rain. Exit through that small margin, make the bomb me gal breast and it. Yo press and the gas step on it. Car move the mechanic. Abandon the car, a foot chase. No, me a run pan the Broadway. Exit through that small margin. Make the dog bark like a pit bull backyard train. Them a clap it up, me.
Make the dog bark like a pit bull with dog chain. Dog go him attack and him gun when I'm on, I make it bark. Not because him say I go too small and mean say a brownie or Bringle or Rex or a mongrel dog running. No, dog in him on, I make it bark like a pit bull with a chain dog.
You run pan the Broadway. Exit through that small margin. Make the dog bark like a pit bull backyard train. Them a clap it up, me get flat like a card game. Bad man thing.
Them a clap it up, him get flat like a card game. Look on a deck of card. If you have a tray of card, the card them on them face down, them flat. So him compare the way him get down to a pack of card, to a card game.
Margin, make the dog bark like a pit bull backyard train. Them a clap it up, me get flat like a card game. Bad man thing, and a local wall game. Me get in a trouble, and me not call me lord name. Make shots fall like hard rain. We born poor, but we not go dead poor. People are go dead more. If we no get the youths a better way in life. Hungry want be fed more. Tired of them politicians, pan them green and red tour. Born poor, but we not go dead poor. People are go dead more. If we no get the youths a better way in life. Hungry want be fed more. Tired of them politicians, pan them green and red tour.
Yo, I'm curious to know which rhythm this is. I'm sure say this is let me see, man. The Robbery. I'm sure this is Dark Night? No, not Dark Night. Dark Night? No, the Dark again. I was right. Dark again Riddim. Yeah, man. Stephen Riddim. Big up Stephen. This time here was 2007. The Dark again Riddim drop. 2007, and this time dancehall did nice, yo. Fuck. This time, a lot of artists was getting locked out of the game because of the war between Gully and the Gaza. And only a few artists could have put out song where actually make sense at the time. And obviously, you know, at this time, Donia was pairing with Cartel. So, Donia sang them I go shoot out same way and still have an impact same way. This is one of the songs that had an impact, but I don't think it had the impact that it should have had. You see me? So that's the reason for me to react to this song. I love this song. Robbery. Big of yourself, did it down, yeah. Steven, Bad Bum Mokla producer, the genius. You see me? Yeah. Big up did it down, yeah. Still. This time I'm gonna leave the one still. If you enjoy that one, I want to see more. You know if you do already, man. I'm gonna have to tell you already, alright? Peace.
Jamaica's worst gamer.